Hey guys, what's up? It's me, you know. And just saying, my grandfather, he got me this for my birthday. You see this case? You may think it's just a case for like pencils or whatever, or like just a belt thing. Well, it's actually a Swiss Army knife case. This Swiss Army knife is mine, and come on, corkscrew, get out. There we go, got it. My grandfather got me this because I wanted a Swiss Army knife really, really bad to match him. There's the magnifying glass. See, it's out. I have the one. See that little dot right there? That's tweezers. And the one on this side is a toothpick. Here, I'll pull the toothpick out first. This toothpick. Come on, thing. Here are the tweezers. Clip, clip. Come on. This is a quick video, but some I can't get out. Some I'm not allowed to get out without an adult. The only ones that I can take out on all my own are the toothpick, tweezers, corkscrew, which is still pretty sharp, magnifying glass, and like screwdriver. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me showing my Swiss Army knife. And here's what it looks like inside the case. You see it right there. And yeah, bye guys.